Okay, welcome back. What I want to look at is a earth leakage relays. Okay, and today what I want to give you is a PowerPoint slide on those items. Now remember, you will need to do additional research to update yourself in regards to the new circuits and the new types of ELRs that might be applicable for today, as these things keep on changing. Also, make sure you relate yourself to the IEE regs or IET regulations and the on-site guide, because they provide a lot of information and knowledge in regards to the present requirements and specifications for those items. Okay, so let's have a look. Presentation on earth leakage relays. Okay, by Mr. Terence Payne. Okay, now to make sure we get everything in frame. Okay, so just bear with me. Aim: to teach the operation and construction of an earth leakage relay. Objectives: the students will be able to understand why ELR are used, their purpose in protecting persons and equipment from earth leakage current, just make sure we are in frame. Okay, what is an ELR? An ELR is a device which is used in an electrical circuit to provide earth fault protection against direct or indirect contact. Okay, just pan out a bit more, make sure it's spelling in frame. Okay, what does an ELR look like? There are a number of models, but in general it would look like the picture opposite. Okay, in general. Now do some additional research for yourself in regards to ELRs. There's a lot of those on the internet. Okay, various types, how to operate, the length, delays, and so forth. Okay, and they give you a better, more detailed diagram of its actual internal wirings as well. So use that research. Now, principle of operation. Earth leakage relays are designed on an electronic basis, which ensure the monitoring of earth fault currents. When the fault current rises above a selected level, the output of the product operates. Okay. Earth leakage current gives rise to the generation of heat and causes the insulation to break down. This can lead to sparking and flashover. It is therefore essential that earth leakage current is detected before it reaches a critical limit. Leakage condition. Now, in case of earth leakage due to insulation breakdown, the vector sum of the currents are not zero. This generates a magnetic flux in the CBCT. This signal is fed to the electronic circuit of the ELR. This signal is compared with internal reference. Now determined by the selected leakage current scale on the relay, it will determine whether or not the device will trip because it senses a fault current which has made a comparison and which does not tally with the point of references in regards to its setting. Okay. Now let's see if we can go in a bit closer here so you can see this for yourselves. Okay, I think we can. Yeah. Let me just make sure we can. Okay, yeah. If we can, yes. Okay, good. This energizes the output when the signal crosses the preset level. The potential free contacts of the relay is connected to the shunt trip no-vol coil of the main trip device, like MCCBs. Under fault conditions, the output relay gets activated by cutting off or tripping against earth leakage faults. Now this is simply a connection diagram. Now the diagrams are not all the same, so make sure you can find a diagram that you can interpret and draw out for yourself that is more detailed or that refer to something that you're actually doing at this point in time. There's quite a few of them, okay? And if you look at it when you go to your electrical wholesalers, they've got a lot of details there as well, so use those too. I'm just going to get a diagram of this, okay? Okay. And this simply is a brief overview, okay? Now, this is an older version. Now, they're probably still the same, but more up to date, more sensitive, more precise, okay? And again, just A is auxiliary power, B is relay, etc., etc. You can read this for yourselves. E is up key, etc. Symbols I delta N equals sensitivity setting. Delta T is time delay setting. Data previous trip value. Okay, if it has tripped before, it will leave a data mark behind. Okay. So it allows you to see what's happening. Okay. Construction. The relay is housed in a robust enclosure. The electronic circuit has voltage developer, a level detector and a static switch. This drives an electromechanical relay. Terminals are connected to a switchgear. Oh, hang on, let's just go back. Okay, thank you. Let's just make sure I get that in frame for you. Because I've read it, so you will need to see it for yourselves as well. Sorry, I'm just make sure I got that in frame. Okay, yes, I believe I have. Yeah. Okay, it's in frame. The electromechanical relay operates on a fault. A test button is provided and a reset button. This allows checking of the earth leakage relay. This just shows you the general measurements of these things, basically. Okay. And again, thank you. I hope you found this useful. Have a good day. Bye-bye.